We wish to inform residents of Uasin Gishu and the general public that we have received the official post-mortem results that was conducted on the deceased from the family that confirmed that the cause of death was COVID-19. In lieu of this information, Uasin Gishu County Assembly has commenced testing of all honorable members and staff. Further, the County Assembly shall remain closed for 21 days, starting today, 17th October 2020, to take all measures incidental to this information. During this period, all honorable members and staff will be in self-isolation. We ask that everyone continues to follow the Ministry of Health guidelines of washing hands, sanitizing, wearing of masks correctly and maintaining social distance.
Gavana wetu aliweza kutuambia, alitupa ruhusa na akaweza kutuambia pahali tuwezi kupimwa sisi tukiwa kama familia. Kweli tulienda kwa COVID test na wote kama familia, jamii wote na waliohusika, walio karibu na yeye, waliokuwa na karibu na yeye na wale marafiki zake na jamii nzima. Tulienda kwa test na ni matumaini yetu vile test itakavyotoka tutaweza kuobey whatever comes out.
Together we can be able to manage this pandemic. So I want to urge the members of the public that let's take this COVID-19 seriously. Personally, as a governor, for the last about 10 days, I've lost close friends to COVID-19. And if you look at the interaction, we can easily trace that our friend so-and-so are T with our friend so-and-so. When this one tested positive, this one also went tested positive. Unfortunately, they didn't make it. So this thing is real. This thing is real. I also want to urge my colleague leaders here that there is no way we shall tell Raya that COVID is real if we are not demonstrating ourselves from our actions that it is real. So I want to urge our honorable members, County Assembly, in all the forums, because as we go to so many functions, please help us in the sensitization. Let the opening statement in all your sensitization, let's remind our people that this thing is real. Let them mask, let them sanitize, let them wash hands. And public places, shopping centers, business places, please, we want to go back to hand washing, social distancing, masking. Those who are running bus, please, guidelines were issued.